Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting Adobe Illustrator tutorial. Let's create logo abstract design in Adobe Illustrator. Draw vertical oval shape 300 by 900 dimensions using ellipse. Use stroke end. Weight equals 60. Select object and go to rotate 360 degrees divided by 3 is equal to 120. Alt plus click for equal 360 degrees distribution, Control plus D to duplicate. Select object and go to Object, expand a fill and stroke. Expanding an object means dividing its attributes into separate objects. Remove edge tips using line segment. Select object and go to rotate 360 degrees divided by 6 is equal to 60. Alt plus click for equal 360 degrees distribution, Control plus D to duplicate. Select object, go to Pathfinder divide. Right-click on group and delete. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more creative videos.